So this is to record the use of My Learning Train activity kit which has been coming to schools. So Kalpana ma'am, it's a kit like this that has come to you, and you have used it.
Yes, ma'am, we have been effectively using it in our classrooms. I can proudly say right from the beginner level to level 2, we are using the MLT since more than 10 years, and it has really helped children in developing their all the 5 developments in a very different way, in a play way method.
So, this is Purvi, and it is so nice that we have now transferred from, the person who writes to a person who heads, and now the teachers who are actually using it.
Yes.
I think that's the journey which we are seeing. Ma'am, this kit that was given to you, it has got about maybe 200 plus flashcards. It's got a brochure, and this year we've added some posters to it, which is like, rhyme posters. Do you think there are enough rhymes in My Learning Train, ma'am?
Oh yes, ma'am. And children really enjoy it, especially Meri Rail Gadi, when they are doing the pages, and even when we play the rhymes. With that, they very silently listen to the rhymes, learn them, and effectively sing when we
And
ask
do they
them.
participate also?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
And do these kind of puppets help you to do your Kino Learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Kinophonics?
Yes, ma'am.
Also
they
to
do.
put on record, Bright School is the place where the word Kinophonics was coined. When I was coming for Kino Learn, I came here and I met this whole team, and I told them we are starting a phonic program, and they just smiled and said, what is the big deal, just call it Kinophonics.
Yes.
So I want you to pick up the Kinophonic trains, please.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
beautifully, they have adapted. So I think for me, when we give a kit, it is not how we want schools to blindly use it. We want them to innovate. And just imagine the babies' flashcards that we gave, the little learners' flashcards, they not only have put up cards, like for example, they have not only taken these kind of cards and made them into display, which goes into the, which goes onto the board with sticks, but they have actually picked up the children's work and they have made it train wise. So they are actually telling the children that this is how you place a, can you just explain it?
Yes,
for me,
ma'am. We explain the children the sounds of all the cards, and they put up the cards in the sequence, and then we show them and we help them form different words using the cards and sounds.
I want to ask you one more question.
You add it into that, what all new words your children showed it.
Yes, it's like really challenging, and it's a good thing that children are trying to make at least 4 to 5 letter words at senior KG level in the beginning, which is excellent. And children are striving, they are really trying to create new words using the strain letters.
So would we say that this size of the flashcard is appropriate for 42 sounds?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
is it too small?
No, ma'am. I think it is
For children to
Perfect for children. How often do you use this from the books? See, one is the display. So you use the display well?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How do you use the children's cards, and how often?
Every 15 days we use
More
like
than every week also.
and once in a week.
Once in a week at least. Wow. So
Morning also when they come, they
yes,
have a free
they
time before
Yes,
the
ma'am.
prayer. That time also they explore and
They
then
explore, all
so
right.
It's the
And
children's choice.
it's not just the language cards, even the number cards which we have, and Hindi cards also.
So I think
Meri
for
Rail
me,
Gadi.
this recording is not just a recording for us, but a recording for schools who say this does not work, or who fear that this may not work. So this is a team in Vadodara, the Bright School. Can you just pan around and show us the whole team? Everybody there, sitting so beautifully quiet. Yes, thank you so much for that, the wave. This is also telling us that this is a system that we only bring to schools. It's the schools that make it work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
thank you so much. Just a few days back, there was this lovely Guru Purnima. So thank you so much to all of you for making this successful. And yes, I'm going to be using this recording to put it on social platforms.
At the end, I would love to add, Sonia ma'am, that if you have a proper planning, the planning goes on the first in your mind, which goes on the paper, but until you have a proper processing, getting it done, then you should never worry about the result.
Absolutely. I
So
think
we never go with the result first. We just see that what is
process.
right and wrong. So I very strongly can say that this gives a proper planning and the processing.
Oh my
so
God,
we
thank
are
you
never
so much.
worried about the result.
Thank you.
And believe me, I can say that as these teachers also shared, our children are definitely something different. And we get these comments from the first grade teachers also, that how when this senior KG batch goes into the first, how they are different. So this very proudly I
Yes,
say.
ma'am. And one more thing I would like to add on to this, that every child is very proud to have his own set of cards. So they have that thing that these are mine, and I'm not just sharing it every
I
time,
would
but
also
they.
like to ask you, ma'am, is it difficult to take them out of the books and organize it?
No,
They
ma'am, not
did it
at
very
all.
smartly.
Not at all.
Right. So thank you so much. This is
And we have those chotti dabbis also.
Yes,
Boxes.
small boxes in which we
And
store.
children are so much into that ki they know their material.
Yes.
Lovely,
They
lovely.
explore and then they know how to pile it up and then
Yes.
winding
Make a
up is
bunch
also
of
done.
it and keeping it independently into the box.
No doubt the class becomes noisy, am I right? But it can be only noisy when there is something happening.
Absolutely.
Yes,
So we are not
absolutely.
worried about noisy classes.
No.
We know it's easy to organize. And thank you for just giving us this little clip so that we can share it with others who actually want to believe in it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.